Hey guys, it's me Henrico Riesneto and today I'll be showing my train's deck profile. Now, without further ado, let's get into the deck profile. First, I run 3 Night Express Night. Not really necessary to run 3 of this anymore, but I'll find 3 suits me because it's the original starter to play along with Derek Rain from back in 2016 and still is. 3 Derek Rain. Not much to explain here. It'll summon itself when you summon an art machines, while also can destroy one card your opponent control upon detaching it as a bonus. 2 Super Express Bullet Liner. If I had a third copy, I'll use it, but sadly I don't. Can summon itself when almost on your field or art machine, and can retrieve any machine from grave if it's sent there that turn. This card is a blast from Konami. 3 Flying Pegasus Railroad Stampede. Act as another starter since it can make itself a level 10 by targeting any other monsters, while also able to summon another trains, making it almost a one-card play. Almost. 1 Rufian. Used to be 3 because there isn't much choice, but with the support trains get, 1 is a good number as it's the best low level to summon from our game schedule. 1 Citadel. Play only 1 because now if something happened to the exceeds, it'll bring itself out. Also searchable by the field and Rufian if you already have another piece in your hand. 1 Malefic Cyber End Dragon. I play field spell and it's a level 10 for extended play. Or you can attack with it if you want. That means 4000. 2 Exodius. It can summon itself by returning every monster in your grave, and its summon doesn't start a chain, so even if someone got negate, you'll still empty your grave. Also a level 10. 2 Gameciel. Because basically just for non-target, non-destroy removal, and Gameciel has the lowest attack of all the kaijus. I don't run Slumber, by the way. For the spells and trap, I run 3 Revolving Switcher. A must 3 in any terrain build. It's basically exchange a card in your hand for a big terrain. 3 Mystic Mine. Hates facing it, love using it. That's Mystic Mine. Helps baiting a negate and works for stall. Also a guarantee your play won't get that much disturbed. A Terraforming because I run 6 field. 3 Organ Schedule. The deck mainly goes second deck, so no doubt that I'll be running 3. 3, 3, 3 Limiter Removal. Because 12,000 attack lever is an orgasm for me. Raigeki. Because Lightning Storm costs too much fortune. Sky Striker Mecha Eagle Booster. Attack card. Attack card. Helps protect Libra from getting disrupted while using its effect. That's all. 2 conditional, so not really recommended, but you still can try. 2 Forbidden Chalice, or as my local and I said, call it, Budget Impermanence. 2 Pot of Desire. Run multiples in deck, so it's okay to run Desire. 2 Twin Twister. Because back row is annoying and red reboot is at 1. Also helps dumping something for flying Pegasus to summon. 1 red reboot. Because red reboot. Moving to the extra deck. The extra deck actually pretty loose. 1 Cyber Dragon for the Malefic plays. Plays. 1 number 77, the 17th. Because I can put this above Dora or Gustav, and like I said, the extras pretty loose. 1 Liber, because I don't have another one. We'll try to get at least 1 more if can, 2 more. The greatest thing that could happen to trains. Liber is all but ram hard and harder. I love it. 3 Dora and 3 Gustav. Dora for going first, and Gustav for going second. And like I said, the extras pretty loose. 1 Sky Palace Gangaridai. This and Derek Rain means you'll destroy 2 cards, while also burn 1000 to open it. Decent in my opinion. 1 number 27 Dreadnought. Just here because it's literally about Dora. Never makes it, so it's changeable to something else. 1 Barrel Sword because Barrel Sword. A Clipboard Genius. In my opinion at least, Genius is a must one in any machine deck. Helps out Apollosa as Genius is unaffected by Link monsters. 1 double-headed Anger Knuckle. God damn. One can say that it's a train Link, obviously. Can summon any level 10 machine from grab by sending a monster from hand or field. It's actually decent. 1 Pentestack. In case there's a defense which is a monster, Pentestack grants Liber piercing damage to ram it over. Okay, like that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys later. Goodbye.